Burp Proxy is a crucial component of the entire Burpsuite application. This tool allows you to intercept the web traffic between the browser and the target application, which is the web server itself. To start Burpsuite, go to the application menu, then select the Kali Linux item, followed by the top 10 security tools. Finally, select the Burpsuite from the list. This is the free version of Burpsuite. I will be using the professional version, so I will have access to all the functionalities in this application. The free version is a good start point if you want to learn how this application works. Once you have Burp up and running, you want to make sure that your proxy is enabled and listening on port 8080. Go to the Proxy tab, then select the Options tab. In this screen, we can see that the proxy listener is running and listening on port 8080. At this moment, we need to configure your browser so that it can use the port that we had Burpsuite listening on. The add-on that I use is called Burpsuite Proxy for Firefox. It is an easy way to have multiple proxies and to be able to change between them quickly. After installing Burpsuite Proxy, right next to the browser's URL bar, there is a fox with a circle and line across it. Click on the fox, then click Add a new proxy. In the Proxy Details tab, you will need to set the manual proxy configuration to the local host and the proxy port to 8080. Next, click on the General tab, give that proxy a name, and finally click on the Save button. In my case, I'm not going to save it because I already did it before recording this video. What you have essentially done is told your browser to send all the traffic to your local host to port 8080. This is the port we have configured the Burpsuite application to listen on. Burp knows that it will take this traffic and proxying it out to the internet. Since you have saved this profile, right-click on the fox and select your proxy configuration. In this case, I named my proxy configuration Burp Proxy, so I'm going to select it. Once we have our browser using the proxy, we can now browse to the web application. In this example, I am going to browse to my blog website. If we go back to Burp, we are going to see the proxy and the intercept tab light is up and turned into the orange color. If you see this happen, we know we have configured everything perfectly. We now see that Burp successfully captured the GET request for the website. By default, the initial state is to intercept all the traffic. Intercept means to stop any request from the browser to the web application and will give you the ability to read or modify that request. If you try to browse to any sites at this moment with the default settings, you won't be able to see any responses until you turn off the intercept button. By clicking the intercept button to off, we will still be capturing all the web traffic, but we won't be directly tampering with every request. Either the intercept is on or off. You can see all the requests and responses within the History tab.